Long time ago, before the villains will be defeated with 2 times, Matthews just saw Andrea has pregnant. Matthews is going to have a baby. 23 minutes later, the baby has born. He named Roy. He's going to be a tiger just like Andrea. Matthews, Roy, and Andrea is going to be a family now. The good family. Then tomorrow, it all started tonight, when the sun rises up.
That day we arrived on the planet, and blinking stepped into the sun. There's more to see than can ever be seen, more to do than can ever be done. There's far too much to take in here, more to find than can ever be found. By the sun rolling high through the sapphire sky, keeps great and small on the endless round.